As x coordinate increases, height of this graph also increases. That means when x tends to infinity, then log x tends to infinity. Similarly, when x tends to infinity, then log 1 plus x tends to infinity. Therefore, this function is in infinity by infinity indeterminate form. Therefore, to find this limit, we will use L'Hospital's rule. This is L'Hospital's rule. This limit is equal to limit of derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Therefore, we apply L'Hospital's rule in this limit and write derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. To find the derivative of this numerator, first we use this rule and write here. Now we use this formula and write its derivative 1 by x here. Now we use this result and write this derivative here. Derivative of x is 1, therefore we write 1 here. Thus, L becomes equal to this. This limit is again in infinity by infinity form. Therefore, we will use L'Hospital's rule again. Derivative of numerator. In the numerator, first we write derivative of this term 1 plus x log 1 plus x by using this formula here. Then we write derivative of this term x log x by using this formula here. And in the denominator, after multiplying these two, we get x plus x square. Therefore, derivative of denominator will be this. Derivative of 1 plus x is 1. Therefore, in place of this, we write 1. Similarly, d log 1 plus x by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. We write this. Dx by dx is equal to 1. We write 1 here. D log x by dx 1 by x. Therefore, here we write 1 by x. 1 plus x and 1 plus x will be cancelled out. X and x will be cancelled out. Now, this one and this one will become 2. Therefore, in the next step, we will write log 1 plus x plus log x plus 2 by 1 plus 2x. This is again in infinity by infinity indeterminate form. Therefore, we will use L'Hospital's rule again. Derivative of numerator, this, by derivative of denominator. Using these results, we write its derivative here, this derivative here, this derivative here. Derivative of 1 plus 2x as 2. This is again in infinity by infinity indeterminate form. Using L'Hospital's rule again, we write derivative of numerator 2 here, derivative of denominator 2 times 1 plus 2x here. Cancelling 2 from numerator and denominator, we get this. This is not in infinity by infinity form because in the numerator is 1, not infinity. Actually, this is not in any indeterminate form. Indeterminate form has been removed. Therefore, now we will put infinity in place of x. 1 plus 2 times infinity will be infinity, and 1 by infinity tends to 0. Therefore, limit will be 0.